to my channel. My name is Evie, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet a skirt, a summer skirt with fringe. This is what I'll need: my tape measure, ball of yarn. I think I need 4 because it's size small. As usual, a pair of scissors and my crochet hook. Yeah, so the first step is I'll go ahead and crochet a length of 29 inches. My waist is 27, so I'll add 2 more. So go ahead and chain a length of 27 inches. I have my 29 inches. So the next thing I'll do, I will place double crochets all through the chain. So yarn over on the next stitch here, place a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Excuse. So on the other stitch, place a double crochet like so. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So continue all through, then I'll meet you once I'm here. I'm done with the row of double crochet. So the next thing I'll do, I'll take my other end and then join it together. So 1 minute, I'll take my other end here and place a slip knot like that. So from here, go ahead and place double crochets all around your work, and for this part here, I'll join it when I'm working on my waistband. When I'm done with the skirt, working on my waistband, so place double crochets all around your work. Then I'll meet you when I'm changing the pattern, and also when I'm increasing the stitches for the hip measurements. I'm done with the first row, so I'll continue with the second row with double crochets. So I've done 5 rows so far. The next thing I'll do, I will create a mesh pattern, and it's easier. I'll just chain 1, count 1 on the second stitch, place a double crochet, then chain 1, skip 1 on the second one, place a double crochet. So I'll only do 1 row of this mesh pattern, then I'll show you the next step. I'm done with the row of mesh pattern. So the next thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and make a double crochet. So I'll place double crochet in every chain, and I'll go ahead and make 3 rows of double crochet. At the end of the row, so from here I'll start increasing for my hips measurement. So for an increase, I will place 2 double crochet on the same stitch, the first one, the second one, then I'll go ahead crochet and increase 2 more here. On the other corner of my work, So I'll go ahead and increase, and I'll place 2 double crochet on the same stitch and continue with my work. Remember, I have one more row of double crochet, and when increasing, you don't have to increase on the same spot. You can increase either before or after your double crochets, so as to not create a shell stitch pattern. Yeah, so go ahead and place another row of double crochet, and remember to increase once you reach the corners, the end of your row. I'm almost at the end of my row. For this side here, I did increase, so here I'll place a double crochet here, and then continue with the mesh with the double crochet. Now here at the end of my row, after increasing, I'll go ahead and make a pattern. So I'll yarn over thrice on this stitch here. I'll yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over 3 times, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I have my pattern here. I'm at the end of my row, and for the increase, I'll not be increasing because I've reached my desired hip measurements. 33, and 33, half of 33, it's 16 and a half, I think. Yeah, 16 and a half. I've reached my desired hip measurements. For yours, if you have bigger hips, you can go ahead and increase, but remember to increase when doing the double crochets, like how we did here. So I'll go ahead and place single crochets all around. In every stitch, go ahead and place single crochets, and I'll do 2 rows of single crochets, then proceed with the next pattern. I'm done with the mesh pattern. So the next step I'll do is I'll go ahead and place half double crochets all through, then I'll meet you once I'm done. So place half double crochet in every chain, and place crochet 2 rows of double crochets, 2 rows of half double crochet, sorry. I'm done with the 2 rows of double crochet. So the next thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and make a mesh pattern. So I'll chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, then skip 1 on the second chain here, place a double crochet, then chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 on the second stitch here, place a double crochet. So continue the pattern, then I'll show you the next step once we are back here. I'm done with my 2 rows of half double crochet. So the next thing I'll do will be creating this pattern. So yarn over 3 times on the next stitch here, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So continue with the same process we did here. Then I'll meet you once I'm at the end of my row. I'm done with the row. So the next thing I'll do, I'll be placing half double crochets. Now to close this up, you make a slip stitch. So I'll continue with the half double crochets all through, 2 rows of half double crochet, then start over again with the mesh pattern, 2 rows of double crochet, half double crochet in there, and this treble pattern. Yeah, so go ahead, and I'll meet you once I have my desired length. So from here I'll place 2 rows of half double crochet, a mesh pattern, then 2 rows of double crochet, this treble pattern, then so on and so on. Guys, I'm done, and I did crochet a length of 15 inches. So what I'll do, I will make a slip knot here and cut off my yarn, then work on the waistband. Then I'll be done with the skirt. So for my waistband, I will insert my hook and my yarn and go ahead and do double crochets. So yarn over 1, I will chain 1, then here I'll make a slip knot to close up the part here, then go ahead with the double crochets. So on the next chain I will do a front post like so, then on the next chain I'll place a double crochet, then place a double crochet, a front post double crochet on the next stitch. So continue the pattern. I'll only make 3 rows of double crochet for the waistband, then I'll be done with the waist part. I'm on my second row, so what I'll do, I'll continue with the pattern. So I will go ahead and place a double crochet on the front post and a double crochet here. So continue the pattern all through, and I'll be left with 1 row, because I'm doing 3 rows for my waistband. I'm done with my 3 rows of double crochet for the waistband. So the next thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and make a slip knot and finish up my work, then tuck in the yarn. So the next thing I'll do is I will attach my fringe. I'll be placing my fringe. I've already cut them here, so I'll be attaching them. For my fringe, I'll be placing them on these mesh patterns here. So I'll take my 3 strands of yarn and attach it like so. I'm done, and this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and see you on the next video.